Question number 5. Measles is a serious disease. A person can die from measles. The table number 3 shows the number of the medical confirmed cases of the measles in England and the Wales between 2012 and 2015. 2012, the number of cases are 2030. 2013, the cases are 1843. 2014, the cases are 121. In 2015, the cases are 91 only. 5.1 is an AO2 question from the topic viral diseases. Suggest one reason why the actual number of cases of measles in England and the Wales might be higher than is shown in table number 3. If we look into the table, there is a sudden decrease within a year from 2013 to 2014. There are different reasons, but the student can choose or take one or two in their answer. A large number of the people having measles didn't go to the doctor. Or the students can take another option here. A certain number of test samples might not be tested properly or confirmed by the doctors. Let's see the model answer. A large number of the people having measles didn't go to the doctor. The student can take this option in their answer. A certain number of the test samples might not be tested properly and confirmed by the doctors. Five point two is an AO2 question where the student need to apply the knowledge by using the above information and is also from the topic of viral diseases. Calculate the percentage decrease in the number of medically confirmed cases of measles between 2012 and 2015. In 2012, the cases are 2030, and 2015, the cases are 91 only. So we will find the decrease by taking the difference of these two values. So I already calculated this thing. So the model answer is given here. The total initial number of cases are 2030. The decrease in the number is 2030 minus 91, that is 1939 from 2012 to 2015. So the percentage decrease in the number is the difference, the decrease over the total number of cases multiplied by 100, because the question is demanding percentage decrease. The answer is coming by using the calculator is 95.5%. There are approximately 96% decrease in the number of medical confirmed cases of measles between 2012 and 2015. 5.3 is an AO1 question and the topic is communicable diseases and vaccination. One reason for the decrease in the number of cases of the measles is that more children were vaccinated against the disease. Vaccinating a large proportion of the population reduces the spread of the measles virus. Explain why. If a large proportion of the people or the population are vaccinated, it means the people do not get ill because they are already immune against the virus. The other reason which can be included, so there are less chances to pass the virus to the other non-immune people because most of the people are vaccinated. Let's see the model answer for this question. A large proportion of the vaccinated people do not get ill because they are immune against the virus. There are less chances to pass these viruses to non-immune people because most of the people are already vaccinated. 5.4. It is an AO1 and AO2 question. The figure number 8 shows the concentration of measles antibodies in the blood of a boy. The extra information is also provided along x-axis. Is vaccination injected? And when the vaccination or antibodies have exposure to measles virus. You will find two different values, 7.2 and before exposure is 0.8. The question is, explain the difference between antibody production after the vaccine injection and after exposure to the measles virus. You should include the data from the figure number 8. And after exposure to the measles virus is 7.2 units, which is about 9 times more than this value. The white blood cells in the body will recognize the measles virus and start producing the antibodies. The white blood cells will produce the antibodies very quickly and in the correct amount. These antibodies will remain in the blood for a certain long time. You can see that the graph is gradually coming down, showing the immune system is active against the pathogens for the longer time. The student need to use this graph and use these values and try to relate the relation between these two values properly to get full 6 marks. Let's see the model answer. There is a greater difference between the antibody production after the vaccine is injected in the body and after exposure to the measles virus. By using the figure number 8, the maximum concentration after injecting the vaccine is 0.8 unit and after exposure to the measles virus is 7.2 units. This is about 9 times more. The white blood cells in the body will recognize the measles virus and produce the correct amount of antibodies very quickly. The antibodies will remain in the blood for a longer time, showing the immune system is active against the pathogens for the longer time.